Good morning. I am out here feeding the chickens and ribeye. We feed the chickens in the mornings, and then we give ribeye a little bit of feed so he doesn't feel left out. Ribby, come on, Ribby. Come on. Yes, sir. Come on, boy. We can grow our garden, but we cannot grow our channel without you liking and subscribing. Today is the second day of our barbecue leftovers. We probably have one more day left of that. They're eating potato salad, coleslaw, and pellets, and they love it. They will eat this over pellets any day. They especially love hamburgers and hot dogs and any kind of meat. Yesterday I got the most eggs I've gotten in a really long time, and today I was smart and brought an egg carton out. So now I'm going to go on an egg hunt. They just lay wherever. What was that? That one. 6 eggs on this side today. No eggs outside, but these are basically equivalent to 1 full egg. Alright, I'm not seeing any eggs in here today, which is understandable since majority of the silkies were in the other coop. But out of 13 silkies, we only got 6 eggs. No duck eggs. We haven't had duck eggs in a while. Our garden checked, and there is no sign of garlic coming up. It's only been 3 days. Hopefully it'll come up. Harvesting some of my jalapenos today. I will cut them up, slice them up, put them on a pan, put them in the freezer, and when they are ready, I will put them in a mason jar and put them back in the freezer. So when I need them, I can just get them out, thaw them out, and they're already chopped up, and I make a jalapeno casserole. This is my harvest for today. Jalapeno peppers and bell peppers. The okra is not to be eaten. It's way too big. I'm going to use this for seed for next year. The jalapenos and the peppers will be chopped up, put in the freezer, and then put in mason jars back in the freezer so they'll be ready whenever I need them.